Development of the Leopard 1 main battle tank began in 1956 and took about 10 years. The first trials began in 1961. Vehicle entered service with the Bundeswehr in 1965. Production ceased in 1984, and it was replaced by the Leopard 2. However, the Leopard 1 was a very successful design. Over 4,000 of these MBTs were built in Germany. Another 720 were licensed produced in Italy. Despite its age, the Leopard 1 is still in service, with a number of export operators. The Leopard 1 has a welded hull and cast turret. Armor of this tank is relatively thin. Germans estimated that contemporary Soviet T-62 tank could penetrate frontal armor of the Leopard 1 at a range of 1,800 meters. Newer Soviet T-72 tank could penetrate it at a range of over 3,000 meters. The tank is fitted with NBC protection equipment for the crew. Despite its relatively thin armor, the Leopard 1 packed a formidable punch. This MBT is armed with the British L7A3 105mm rifle gun. It was a standard NATO tank gun, used on contemporary tanks, such as American M60 Patton and French AMX-30. This gun is loaded manually. Ammunition includes APDS, APFSDS, heat, and smoke rounds. Germans estimated that the Leopard 1 could penetrate frontal armor of the Soviet T-62 tank at a range of 400 meters with APDS round and 1,500 meters with APFSDS round. Frontal armor of the newer T-72 tank could be penetrated by APFSDS round at a range of 800 meters. Secondary armament consists of coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and another roof-mounted 7.62mm anti-aircraft machine gun. Vehicle is powered by the MTU-MB 838 multi-fuel diesel engine, developing 830 horsepower. The whole power pack, including engine and transmission, can be replaced in field conditions within 20 minutes. The torsion bar suspension consists of 7 road wheels, with the drive sprocket at the rear and idler at the front. The Leopard 1 is fitted with a deep wading kit, and after preparation can ford water obstacles up to 4 meters deep. A dozer blade can be attached at the front of the hull. Leopard 1A1 was fitted with a new gun stabilization system, allowing to fire effectively on the move. It was also fitted with side skirts, new thermal sleeve on the gun barrel, and some other minor improvements. Leopard 1A2 had better turret armor protection, improved NBC protection system, and new night vision equipment. Leopard 1A3 had new welded turret with composite armor and wedge-shaped gun mantlet. Leopard 1A4 is externally similar to the 1A3, but included new computerized fire control system and new sighting system. Leopard 1A5 was developed in early 1990s. It was fitted with modern fire control system and improved night vision equipment. A total of 1,300 of the Leopard 1A1 and 1A2 MBTs were upgraded to this level. Leopard self-propelled anti-aircraft gun, fitted with two 35mm guns. Biber armored bridge layer. Japan's armored engineering vehicle. Some countries made local upgrades to their Leopard 1 to extend their service lives. Thanks for watching.